I'm going to upset some people. I don't care if we did DIY stuff. If the homeowner changed capacitors and contactors, it's going to be more work for me anyways. But I would like that because now I'm going and solving problems instead of just changing parts. And I think our job is a lot more fulfilling when we're able to really solve problems, something that you can't just get off of the internet, something you can't just ask AI, hey, my house is uncomfortable, what do I do? Like somebody, a professional has to go in and evaluate the house